Hello everyone, welcome here on my channel, and I will be going to Habitat for Humanity Design Center. And the last time I went there was last year, and I wanted to check out what's new in the store, so I want to bring you guys along with me. First thing I noticed when I went in the store is this milky glass dining table that is extendable on both ends. I noticed they have more dining chairs available compared to the last time I went into this store, and they vary from traditional to modern style. This one I thought was a large barn door because this is where I exactly found my barn doors in my master's bathroom, but looking on it closely, it is a solid hardwood dining table, and for a price of $100, that's a bargain. They have few of this bamboo workbench, and you can use this in any way you can imagine, and also they have the stainless countertop. They have different shapes and sizes of these prefab white cabinets, and a lot in stock for different style of wall tiles. This is my second time going into this store, and even though I'm just looking around, it just always put a smile in my face every time I do this type of walkthrough. I've been seeing this heavy metal garage cabinet in the hardware store, but for the price of 4 different sizes of metal cabinets, that is a good price. For everyone who is new here in my channel, Habitat for Humanity Restore have a lot of branches from different states. But as far as I know, this is the only design center that they have here in California. Everything they have in the store have been donated by different companies. Others might be in perfect condition and some might have a slight imperfection. And whatever they earn from the store goes to a good cause. This brown corduroy couch is so cute and I even tried sitting down on it. It's so comfy. And it can even be matched with this unique solid hardwood coffee table. They also have this 5 panels room divider, which I'm blown away how much the original cost is. And I guess just to justify it, it's heavy and maybe they use a special fabric around it, and also they use these individual nail heads around the panels. And lastly, they have these fluted panels for walls that is used for outdoors, but I guess you can use it for indoors as well. And I went online just to see a comparison for the price. Okay, everyone, I did not bought anything, and also I was looking for a specific furniture for my home. But anyways, I had so much fun walking around the store. And one thing that really caught my eye was that industrial display cabinet. And basically, that's one of my wish lists to have one in my home. That could have been a perfect replacement for the piano that we have in our dining area. And even though one of the glass is missing, that can be easily replaced. And I can just imagine placing it on that wall with the perfect height for my high ceiling. That could have been a perfect setting for my entire dining area. But it's still expensive for me, so I guess that's it.